Well, baseball is a game of runs, hits, and errors, but it was an error of the legal kind that led to a mistrial Thursday in the perjury case of former star pitcher Roger Clemens. CBS News correspondent Wyatt Andrews explains what happened in court and now what's next for the man known as the Rocket.
The mistrial is a temporary victory for Roger Clemens.
God bless you, Roger. Thank you.
But a permanent black eye for the Justice Department. Federal prosecutors were under strict orders not to mention Laura Pettit, the wife of Clemens' former teammate Andy Pettit, because the judge ruled her possible testimony was secondhand and inadmissible. So when prosecutors played a tape showing members of Congress discussing Laura Pettit's testimony,
let me read to you what his wife said in her affidavit.
Judge Reggie Walton erupted, calling it prejudicial against Clemens and a direct violation of his order.
The judge said the jury's not allowed to hear this evidence. Prosecution went ahead and let the jury know about it anyway, so it's a big deal.
A big deal because the judge all but accused the prosecution of cheating. Government counsel can't do what it thinks it can get away with, Walton snapped. Any first-year law student should know that. Clemens, known in baseball circles for his competitiveness, will now argue that all charges should be dropped because of the constitutional ban on double jeopardy, 2 trials for the same offense. Legally, that's a long shot, but a hearing is set for September 2nd. And so much for the federal crackdown on steroids in baseball. In April, a federal jury couldn't reach a verdict on most of the perjury counts against superstar Barry Bonds. Now for Roger Clemens, a mistrial, and now for the Justice Department, strike 2. Wyatt Andrews, CBS News, Washington.